At a Texas Materials ready-mix plant in Hutto, Texas, Omar got a first-hand look at where the concrete industry really comes to life. Omar is a concrete industry management student at Texas State University and part of Skate4 Concrete's Ride, Design, Build, Carve Your Concrete Path internship. With support from Command Alcon, a longtime supporter of CIM, Omar visited Texas Materials to see firsthand how a ready-mix operation runs from plant to pour. During the visit, Omar stepped beyond the classroom and into the plant to see how dispatch, batching, quality control, hauling, and plant operations all work together to deliver concrete safely and efficiently. These industry excursions help students ask questions, make connections, and see just how many career paths exist in concrete. With programs like CIM and industry partners like Texas Materials, a CRH company, helping pave the way, students like Omar are getting the chance to see it, touch it, and imagine themselves building what comes next.